Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the beauty and craftsmanship of reclaimed wood products, especially our unique wall-hanging decor, offer a perfect blend of eco-friendliness and artistic expression. Our channel is dedicated to exploring the incredible potential of reclaimed wood, showcasing how each piece tells a story of its past, while being transformed into stunning decor for your home. Join us as we delve into the artistry behind these creations, celebrating not only their aesthetic appeal, but also their positive impact on the environment. Thank you for being part of our journey toward a more sustainable future. Our handcrafted wooden wall hangings are more than just decor. They are reflections of individuality and creativity. Each piece is meticulously crafted, showcasing the unique textures, colors, and histories of the reclaimed wood. From rustic charm to modern elegance, these wall hangings can enhance any space, adding character and warmth. Join us in celebrating the beauty of reclaimed wood and discover how these one-of-a-kind pieces can transform your living environment while contributing to a more sustainable future. If you're new here, we invite you to subscribe to stay updated on our latest creations and insights into the world of reclaimed wood art. If you're already part of our community, thank you for your support. We encourage you to share and like our content, as your engagement helps us grow and reach more people who appreciate sustainable craftsmanship. By supporting our channel, you contribute to a movement that values artistry, sustainability, and the stories behind each unique piece. Thank you for being a vital part of our journey. Eco-friendly appeal. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases. Reclaimed wood products resonate with eco-conscious buyers who want to reduce waste and support sustainable practices. Highlighting the environmental benefits, such as reduced deforestation and lower carbon footprints, can enhance your brand's appeal. Marketing campaigns can emphasize how purchasing these products contributes to a greener planet, fostering a sense of community and shared values among customers. Unique craftsmanship. The uniqueness of each piece crafted from reclaimed wood is a significant selling point. Artisans can emphasize the distinctive textures, colors, and histories of the wood, which create a story behind each wall hanging. This craftsmanship not only adds aesthetic value, but also emotional significance, as customers appreciate the artistry involved. Promoting artisanship through behind-the-scenes content, such as videos of the crafting process, can further engage potential buyers and elevate perceived value. Market differentiation. In a crowded home decor market, standing out is crucial. Offering reclaimed wood wall hangings allows your business to differentiate itself from mass-produced items that often lack character. Positioning your brand as one that values sustainability and artisanal quality can attract consumers looking for unique, meaningful decor. Emphasizing this differentiation in marketing materials can help potential customers understand why they should choose your products over competitors. Increased profit margins. Reclaimed wood is often more affordable than new lumber, especially when sourced locally. This cost advantage enables you to maintain healthy profit margins while still offering competitive prices. Additionally, the unique nature of reclaimed wood allows for premium pricing, as customers are willing to pay more for one-of-a-kind items. Highlighting the quality and sustainability of your products can justify higher price points, further enhancing profitability. Storytelling and marketing. Effective storytelling is a powerful marketing tool. Sharing the journey of each piece of reclaimed wood, from its origins to its transformation into a beautiful wall hanging, can create a compelling narrative that resonates with customers. Use various platforms, including social media, blogs, and product descriptions, to weave these stories. Engaging narratives can foster emotional connections with buyers, encouraging them to choose your products and share their experiences with others. Versatile product range. The wall hanging can serve as a focal point in a broader product line that includes furniture, shelving, and other decor items made from reclaimed wood. This versatility not only increases sales potential, but also allows for cross-selling opportunities. For instance, customers who purchase a wall hanging may be interested in complementary items, creating a cohesive decor theme. Offering a diverse range of products can enhance brand recognition and appeal to a wider audience. Collaboration opportunities. Collaborating with local artisans, designers, or influencers can amplify your brand's reach and credibility. For example, partnering with interior designers can lead to product placements in their projects, showcasing how your reclaimed wood wall hangings enhance various decor styles. Additionally, collaborating with influencers can introduce your products to their followers, leveraging their trust to drive sales. Joint marketing campaigns can also create buzz and attract new customers. Community engagement. Engaging with the local community can foster brand loyalty and visibility. Hosting workshops on woodworking techniques, sustainability, or DIY projects can create opportunities for direct interaction with potential customers. Participation in local markets and fairs allows you to showcase your products and connect with like-minded individuals. Building a positive reputation within the community not only encourages repeat business but also positions your brand as a responsible and caring entity. Online presence in e-commerce. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential for reaching potential customers. Invest in a visually appealing, user-friendly e-commerce website that showcases your products effectively. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and engaging storytelling can drive online sales. Utilize social media platforms to share behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, and design inspiration. Explore selling on platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade to tap into broader audiences looking for unique, handmade products. Customer education. Educating customers about the benefits of reclaimed wood can significantly influence their purchasing decisions. Provide information on the environmental impact of using reclaimed materials, including statistics about deforestation and waste reduction. Offer care tips to help customers maintain their wooden products, ensuring longevity and satisfaction. Sharing the stories behind individual pieces fosters trust and loyalty, making customers feel more connected to their purchases. Sustainability certifications. Pursuing sustainability certifications can enhance your brand's credibility and attract eco-conscious consumers. Certifications like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, labels signal your commitment to responsible sourcing and environmental stewardship. Displaying these credentials prominently in your marketing materials can reassure customers about the integrity of your products and differentiate your brand in a competitive marketplace. Trends in home decor. Staying informed about trends in home decor is essential for guiding product design and marketing strategies. Understanding consumer preferences for styles such as rustic, industrial, or minimalist can help you tailor your offerings. Regularly researching market trends can inform decisions about new product development, ensuring that your brand remains relevant and appealing to target customers. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beauty of reclaimed wood art as much as we loved creating it for you. If you found value in our content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more inspiring designs and insights. Your likes and shares not only support our community, but also help spread the message of sustainability and craftsmanship to a wider audience. Together, we can celebrate the unique stories behind each piece and promote a more eco-friendly approach to home decor. Thank you for being part of our journey.